Hello and a very warm welcome to this Expedition 2 Training Academy session. In this tutorial we'll be covering importing GPX files, so let's dive in. Here we are. I have Expedition 2 open and logged into a premium account, and Expedition 2 supports the GPX format, which allows us to exchange routing and track data and shapes and other GPS format data with external systems. We import a file by using the import file option found in the toolbar just here, and we click on this, which brings up the import GPX dialog, and then we hit the search button to find a file. And I've got a number of files in here which we can have a look at, and I'm going to choose one of these. I think we will go with let's go with this one here. So I'll hit open and then import, and without further ado, the GPX route is now shown on the map in the appropriate location, and you can see that it's all got all its waypoints and so on and so forth, and it's shown here as a route object. Now at this point, this GPX file is not saved into your Expedition 2 account. To do that, you simply hit the save button and decide where you'd like to put it. So I'm going to leave it in the route here. Hit the save button, and that's now saved into my account. So if I now go and open that here, I can see James Ranmore is in the My Stuff folder, which is where I put it. Okay, now that's not the only way we can import GPX files. If I clear the map off, yes I do, I can also import GPX files by simply opening a folder where I've got my GPX files, and I can drag a GPX file from the folder straight onto the map. Now I'm going to do that Welsh Coastal Path route. Now this one's a great big route. It's a track that follows the whole of the Welsh Coastal Path, so it's quite a long one. It takes a few seconds to import. We'll see checking the GPX format down at the bottom of the screen. And then after a few seconds we can see that the whole of the Welsh Coastal Path route has been imported. Now you can see the path itself looks very fat. That's simply because this path is so long and we're so zoomed out that all we can really see is the waypoint markers. Don't worry, if I zoom in on this, you can see that the path does actually look perfectly normal. It's just that it's a really, really big path heading all the way around the coast of Wales. So there you have it. Two ways of importing GPX files into Expedition 2. And we hope you've enjoyed this training session and found it useful. You can find further titles in the series on academy.expedition2.com or by following the Academy link on the Expedition 2 homepage. And we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.